Here's how to make your iPhone screen never turn off. Now let's head into the settings and tap on battery. Keep in mind, if you have low power mode or low battery mode turned on, this will override your phone's display and automatically turn it off. So we need to make sure this is turned off. So let's scroll down here in power mode. If low power mode is turned on, all you need to do is toggle this off. Now we're ready to go. We can make your display never turn off. Keep in mind, this does drain your battery really quickly. And of course, if your iPhone battery runs out, of course it would shut down. What we need to do is go back to the very beginning of your settings, tap on display and brightness, and now we're going to go to auto lock. You can see auto lock is what automatically locks or turns your phone off. I have it set to 5 minutes. Usually people have it around 30 seconds, and we can switch this to never. It does say iPhone may use more energy with this setting, but by doing so, unless you physically press the power button or your iPhone runs out of battery, it will never turn off.